I know what it feels like when work takes up all your time, leaving you with no energy to truly enjoy life. 8 hours a day at work, plus side gigs, and you are left with exhaustion and the feeling that life is passing you by. I was in the same situation once, but everything changed when I discovered a system that started working for me. And the most important part, having the right support from someone who has already walked this path and is ready to help you. I want you to know, change is possible, and anyone can achieve it if they have the desire. My name is Agatha, I'm 27 years old, and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. I regularly give exclusive interviews for the Wall Street Journal and Financial Times, where I share insights on trading principles and risk management strategies. In 2024, I was awarded Best Trading Mentor of the Year at the Global Trading Summit, where my training programs and strategies were recognized as the most effective for both beginners and experienced traders. Now, I am ready to pass on this knowledge to those who truly want to turn things around and start achieving consistent results. I've developed a strategy that works even for beginners, and it's available to anyone ready to turn things around in their life. There is no need to spend months on theory. My method is clear, practical, and effective. 18,000 people in my trading club are already using it every day and seeing real results. Watch this video until the end and I'll show you a method that will help you get started on your journey. If you are ready for a change, let's go. But before we start, I want to highlight the biggest mistake beginners make. They try to figure everything out on their own, spend months struggling, make costly mistakes, and end up quitting halfway. To prevent that, I created a private trading community where I act as a mentor. Inside, I share all the key settings and strategies that I personally use. No wasted time, only clear, actionable steps that bring results. And now the most important part. Every day I host live trading sessions where I trade in real time. So many people trade with me daily, even though many of them had never traded before. All they do is follow my actions and they get the same results as I do. And yes, I share my strategies completely for free. Just yesterday, for example, my community members and I achieved incredible results together. But here is the thing. I personally mentor every beginner, which means spots are limited. If you want to join the community, please pause this video and click the link in the description or pinned comment and become part of our community while it's still open. So now let's continue. Alright, let's get started. The platform is already open and I will begin with 2. First thing first, I want to choose an indicator. No trade happens without one. I'm going with Quotex. This indicator is great for identifying both upward and downward trends and helps determine the best entry and exit points in the market. So now I will select my trading pairs and this one. Alright, so I've set everything up. Let's begin. Looking at the first pair, I'm immediately going down since we previously saw a strong impulse downward, breaking the trend. Right now, price is making a correction to this move, and during the correction, it has reached a high volume trading area at 19.90280. This is a good condition for a reversal, as these zones often lead to trend continuation or reversals. I expect the price to bounce down and continue moving within the current trend. That turned out exactly as I expected. Great start. Let's move on. So looking at the next pair, I'm going down again, following the trend. We can see prices moving down sharply, and the indicator lines are widely spread apart. So this confirms a strong trend. Also, the red line is on top, indicating that the trend is downward. There we go. When the trend is obvious, our job is to simply follow its direction. This is a perfect example of why it's important to catch a strong trend early and not miss out before it weakens. Alright, let's check this pair. I see price is making a correction towards a resistance level that had high volume trading. These zones often lead to bounce, so I'm going down from this level. Perfect. The key is to identify the right direction and enter at the right moment. Let's keep going. Moving forward. Look at this, price is making big moves and the indicators show the trend is reversing upward. The green line has moved to the top, signaling a new uptrend. So I'm going up from the correction. This is it, my friends. Everything is lining up perfectly. We are on the right track and we are currently at 23. It's not much yet, but this is just the beginning. If you still think that trading is complicated, requires special knowledge, or takes years of learning, then I have a great news for you. Inside my private trading community, you will get clear and simple breakdowns of real market situations. No unnecessary complications, no confusing terms, only actionable steps to help you quickly figure it out and start acting. Every day, I share strategies that I've tested and refined for years. Over 18,000 people already trade alongside me, receive proven strategies, and get the support they need to progress with confidence. All you need to do is join and get access to working strategies used by professionals. Everything is simple and accessible, even for those who have never looked into trading before. And yes, it's all free, but there is one important thing: spots are limited. Since I personally guide each new member, availability is not unlimited. So don't wait and click the link in the description or pinned comment and join the private community now. This is your chance to understand trading quickly. I'll be waiting for you inside the club. Moving forward. Here I see the prices consolidating in a range. I'm going up from the lower boundary of this range. The indicator isn't giving a clear direction, but bounces from range lows are common in these situations. Nice! Sometimes the market moves sideways and indicators don't always give a clear signal, but we caught the moment and chose the right direction. Let's check this pair. Alright, I'm going down since the trend recently shifted to an uptrend, and now price has reached a resistance level. This is the first stopping point, so I expect a bounce down from this level. Let's see how it turns out. Perfect, my friends, we played the reaction of the level again. Everything is going according to plan and my strategy is proving itself once again. We are now at 80. Let's go back to this one. We made a strong bounce downward and now the price has reached the next volume level on the left side of the chart. I also noticed a hammer candlestick pattern a few candles ago. This usually signals a reversal. This is a great moment for takeoff, so let's go. Nice! We are in the green. Great takeoff, great result. Just as expected, we've got a strong uptrend forming. We can see that bulls won the battle for this level, and the indicator's green line confirms a strong uptrend. The market is correcting right now, which makes this the perfect time to go upward. $299 worked out exactly as expected. We are following the trend and getting solid results. Moving on, let's check this pair. I'm going down because I see the price breaking out of a small consolidation zone to the downside. The red line on the indicator is at the top, but it's not too wide, meaning we probably won't see a huge move. But there is still a good opportunity for a small downward move. Following the indicator signal and we're getting the results. In this case, the indicator really helped determine the direction. Analyzing the next pair. I'm going down again because the price has hit a strong resistance level. It's struggling to break through and the indicator's red line is crossing above the green line. This signals that bears are gaining strength and price is likely to move downward. perfect. We are seeing results just as expected. Our total result is now 1062. Let's lock it in and push it further. Alright, let's finish this session with this pair. I see price moving up and we've reached a strong level. So there hasn't been much consolidation around this level yet, so the right decision is to go down from this resistance. I expect a bounce downward and a continuation of the trend. That's it, my strategy worked again, and here is our final result. This is an amazing outcome considering I started with just 2. Let's be real, you've just spent time watching this video and now you have 2 choices. Close the step and keep everything the same, or take a step that could actually change everything. My community isn't just another random group, it's a network of people working towards success. Inside, I share my experience, tested strategies, live trading sessions, and real-time market breakdowns. But the most important thing, this is your chance to stop watching from the sidelines and start taking action. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, it's already here. Act now. Right now, all you need to do is click one link. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and become part of my private community. Opportunities are available to everyone, but only those who take action will benefit from them. The choice is yours. That's all for now. See you soon.